for one fall, making his way to the ring, weighing in at 200 pounds, Dominic Mysterio!
So you see Rey Mysterio not going to join Dominic out here tonight. You see, Rey's put together these series of matches to help Dominic gain some experience in one-on-one situations. Last week against Sami Zayn, Dominic came up short. Rey Mysterio came out. Dominic telling his dad, "I've got this." And he got it all right. Dominic got it all. Covered by Sami. Hook of the leg, and Zayn with the win.
Here is your winner, Sami Zayn!
I'll tell you, Corey, Dominic with flashes of brilliance in that matchup.
I agree wholeheartedly. No one will argue Dominic's got an incredibly bright future, just not yet. Whatever Dominic learned last week, Sami learned a little bit more.
I got a frustrated and Dominic Mysterio here tonight. Back to the learning tree again.
Next week, the world's most famous arena will witness the return of the Beast. Brock Lesnar returns to Friday Night SmackDown next week.
And the Rated R Superstar Edge says this doesn't end well. Edge one-on-one with Seth Rollins live from the Garden next Friday night.
Finn, you are just seconds away from facing Roman Reigns for the Universal Championship. Any final thoughts before this match?
Kayla, for 5 years, people have been asking me the same question. Finn, what would have happened if you didn't get injured in 2016? Well, tonight, I answer the questions.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, it was at SummerSlam in 2016 that this man, Finn Balor, defeated Seth Rollins to become the first ever Universal Champion. He injured his right shoulder that night and was forced to relinquish the championship the next day. It's been 5 long years, but Finn Balor has his opportunity back.
That heartbreak has haunted Balor and
Because this can be looked at as what they call in sports a trap game. Because you've got the hangover from John Cena at SummerSlam. Now you've got Brock Lesnar. We know he's going to be in the Garden.